In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in vidIQ. If you're someone who prefers using applications in a language other than English, or you're just looking to switch things up, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. Whether you're new to vidIQ or just haven't had the chance to explore its settings, don't worry. Changing the language is quite straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it. First, you'll want to head over to the vidIQ website. You can do this by simply typing in the URL in your web browser's address bar. Once you're on the vidIQ site, locate your profile icon. This is typically found in the bottom left corner of the page. Clicking on your profile icon will open up a menu with various options related to your account settings. Next, look for the language setting. It should currently display English if that's the language you're using. Click on this language option and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains a list of available languages that you can choose from. Browse through the list until you find the language that suits your preference. Once you've found it, just click on the desired language and the vidIQ interface will automatically update to reflect your choice. A quick tip: if you're not sure which language to pick, or if you're trying out a new language for the first time, it might be helpful to have a translation tool or app handy. This can provide additional support as you navigate through the changes, especially if you're adjusting to new terminology or layout in the interface. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in vidIQ. This feature is particularly helpful for those working in multilingual teams or for individuals who want to make the most of vidIQ's tools in a language they're more comfortable with. I hope you found this guide helpful. Changing your vidIQ language setting is a simple but effective way to enhance your user experience. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out to vidIQ's support for further assistance. They can provide you with additional help and ensure that you're getting the most out of their platform. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. See you next time.